Sisters of the world, it is time that we reclaim not only our inner feminine but also our inner masculine. My name is DeAnna Lam, and after working with women around the world for 30 years on reclaiming our menstrual cycle and our womanhood, it is time really to bring together the sun and the moon, to bring together our inner masculine and our inner feminine who are both wounded, and we've been putting too much energy, which is good, towards healing our feminine, but our masculine is left inside of us, untended to, invisible, and wanting to be acknowledged and integrated into who we are. We are yin and yang. We're not only feminine. Both women and men have a masculine energy and a feminine energy. So after we've been doing so many years of healing and reclaiming our womanhood, let's bring together all of our aspects into an inner marriage. It is not about men outside of us, it is about our inner aspects, our inner sun and our inner moon that need to be in balance. They need to be in a place of harmony where each one is bringing their gifts. You don't not only have gifts of the moon, you have gifts of the sun. And when you know how and when to use each of them in balance and in harmony, then you will be much more grounded within yourself and be able to bring your gift into the world in a more profound way. I'm coming to Chile this year to invite you to sit with me for the marriage of your inner feminine and inner masculine. We will have a feast of a wedding and we will change the world together. Come sit with me and let's change the world.